Here I have a Castiglione accordion. It has 4 reeds in the treble, arranged low, middle, 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 which means that you have lots of different musette options, which I'll show you now. Here's your bassoon, bandoneon. This is concert, which is looks like 1 low reed and 2 middle. Master, musette, celeste, clarinet, and then this looks like a full mute, so no sound. So here are some of your different musettes here. This is the triple musette. Here's another one. That's much drier. That's with the low reed. Then on the left-hand side you have 5 switches. One of them is a full mute. So I'll play something for you so you can see what it sounds like.
Thank you.